Ready? Lorenzo, what do we have there? Is that Megalodon?
Yes!
We're gonna see if he can go up?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Let's try to go a little faster. Uh-oh. Megalodon can't make it up. Ready? He did not land up. Yeah, look at that. Here we go. Whoa! You too. Let's see you go. Jump. Nice. Okay, let's see if Megalodon can make his way up there. Uh-oh. You gonna bring him up there? Okay. You wanna see the car go? Megalodon's waiting for you to come down.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, go.
You go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he didn't make it. What do you want Megalodon to do next? What should he do? He should go over there? Okay, let's see. Yeah. You're at the park?
Yes.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi. Hello.
You got this. And jump.
Okay, spin him around. Woo! I think Megalodon's getting dizzy. Whoa! Do you think he's dizzy?
Yes. No, no. They're happy.
He's happy.
Help me.
Okay.
Lily, why don't you go up the green? Yeah.
Hi,
You go.
Look at the dog.
Look, he's making a mess. Look, the baseball field. Whoa. Yeah, it's really cool. Look at this.
Look at the dog.
Look. Whoa. Look at that. There's a base over there. You see the base? Look at that. Oh, wow. He got your shoe a little bit?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Oh, are you putting dirt on him?
Yes.
Let's see.
The yuckies.
Wow, he's really yuckies.
The yuckies. The boo-boo stickers.
Yeah.
The boo yuckies.
Look at all that dirt on him.
The video.
And if he spins around, I bet it'll all come off. Let's see.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, you don't want to see him spin?
No. Does it say yes?
Ready? Where's Megalodon going? Is he going to the pitcher's mound?
Yes.
Whoa, what's that over there?
A papa.
Yeah, this is where they play baseball. And
The people.
what is this right here?
Mm.
Look, this is the pitcher's mound. Lorenzo, what's that? Look, ants. Look, there's an ant hole right there. See all the ants?
To eat. Ow! Cut it. No.
Whoa!
The yuckies.
Got Megalodon yucky?
Yes. Yucky removed.
Lorenzo, let's go check out over there. Is that home plate? Over here. What's that? That Megalodon's near. Is that home base? Home plate?
Yes.
You want to go over there? Whoa. Look at all this dirt. It's nice and fresh. Uh-oh. No. Look at all that dirt on Megalodon. Look at Megalodon. He's doing donuts. Whoa, don't put it on me. Where? You want to go to second base?
Yes.
Let's go to second base. Megalodon's waiting for you. Follow me. This is second base. You want to go to first base?
Yes.
Let's go. This is first base. That is home plate. That's where the batter stands. This right here, Lorenzo, this is first base. That over there is second base. And all the way over there in the corner, that's third base. You want to see Megalodon run the bases?
Yes!
All right, this is how it would look with Megalodon running the bases. So Megalodon would be over here. He'd be batting. He hits a home run. This is what he does. He goes like this. First base. Oh. Then he goes to second base. Second. And then he's got to make his way over to third. Look at Megalodon. He's going to third. He's coming around to home. He's safe.